Hey crypto fam! Ever dreamed of buying crypto with ease, but get stuck at the deposit hurdle? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton Deposits, your one-stop shop for smooth and secure crypto purchases. So, why Newton? Well, for starters, it boasts zero trading fees, a killer feature for cost-conscious crypto enthusiasts like ourselves. But what truly sets Newton apart is its focus on user experience. The deposit options are designed for maximum convenience, catering to both crypto newbies and seasoned veterans. Now, before we unleash the deposit knowledge bomb, let's paint a quick picture. Imagine you've identified that perfect crypto dip, a golden opportunity to expand your portfolio. But a clunky deposit process throws a wrench in your plans. Valuable time ticks by, and by the time your deposit clears, the dip might be a distant memory. Frustrating, right? With Newton, that scenario becomes a thing of the past. They offer multiple deposit methods, each with its own advantages, ensuring a seamless experience tailored to your needs. So, buckle up and get ready to conquer those deposits. Method 1. Interac e-Transfer, your speedy Canadian companion. Canadians, rejoice! Interac e-Transfer is your fast and familiar friend for depositing on Newton. Here's how it works. Head over to your Newton dashboard and navigate to the Add Funds section. It's like the green light, giving you the go-ahead to fuel your crypto adventures. Select the Interac e-Transfer option. Newton will then provide you with clear instructions and a unique email address specifically for your transfer. Log into your bank account and initiate a new Interac e-Transfer. Use the email address provided by Newton as the recipient. Relax and unwind. Interac e-Transfers are typically processed within a couple of hours, meaning your funds will be ready to buy crypto in no time. Method 2. Wire transfer for the high rollers. For those dealing with larger sums, wire transfer is a reliable option. While it takes a bit longer, usually 1 to 3 business days, it comes with the benefit of handling significant deposits, minimum $10,000 CAD. Here's how to get started. Similar to Interac e-Transfer, locate the Add Funds section in your Newton dashboard. This time, choose Wire Transfer as your deposit method. Newton will display all the necessary banking details you'll need. Make sure to note down the reference code, it's crucial for smooth processing. Head over to your bank, online or in person, and initiate a wire transfer using the information provided by Newton. Don't forget to include that reference code. Method 3. Crypto Deposit. Unleash the inner crypto pro. Already hold crypto in another wallet? No sweat. Newton allows you to directly deposit your crypto holdings. Here's the drill. Back on your Newton dashboard, navigate to Add Funds once again. This time, select Crypto from Wallet. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit from the list. Newton will then generate a unique deposit address for that particular coin. Copy this address and head over to your external wallet where your crypto resides. Initiate a transfer, pasting the Newton address as the recipient. Pro tip: some cryptocurrencies require a memo tag along with the address. Double-check with Newton if a memo is needed for your chosen coin. Including the correct memo ensures your deposit arrives safely. Security matters, keeping your deposits safe. Before we wrap things up, let's talk security. Newton prioritizes the safety of your funds. Here are some additional pointers to keep in mind. Double-check everything. Ensure the recipient email or address matches exactly when initiating your deposit. Beware of imposters. Only use the official Newton platform and information provided within your account for deposits. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Newton account for an extra layer of protection. With that said, thanks for watching. Now you're equipped to conquer deposits on Newton and embark on a smooth crypto journey. Until next time, happy trading.